Draw the frequency polygon of the following data with a class mark that is independent of the histogram. Now in previous videos आम्ही कितें केल्ले, first we had drawn histogram and then we had drawn frequency polygon. Like this we had drawn histogram first, histogram पयली काढला and then we had drawn frequency polygon. But now we have to draw frequency polygon directly without drawing an independent of histogram. Means without drawing histogram directly हमको frequency polygon काढपाक जाय. Now this is the data given, that is class interval is given and frequency is given. Now here only thing is, first before we start on the graph paper, here we have to find an class mark. Now class mark means what? Class mark means center 140 and 150 च्या मध्य नंबर खंयचो येतलो, or to find that middle number you can add 140 plus 150 and then divide by 2, or central number 140 and 150 च्या center it is 145 we know, or if it is difficult, some difficult numbers, you can add them 140 plus 150, that is 290 divided by 2, that is 145, or directly you can, if it is possible, you can write directly. Now you know 150 and 160 numbers, central number is 155, the next is 165, then 175, 185 and 195. So before starting on the graph paper, we have to find class mark first. Whenever the question is to draw frequency polygon independent of the histogram, हिस्टोग्राम काडिनासतना तुमकां फ्रिक्वन्सी पॉलिगॉन काड म्हणून सांगलो जाल्यार फर्स्ट तुम्ही क्लास मार्क फाइंड आउट करपाक जाय. देन ऑन अ ग्राफ पेपर यू मार्क युअर एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाय एक्सिस. सो दिस इज युअर एक्स एक्सिस, and y-axis. So right, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now here in this case we have class mark. Class mark is always drawn on x-axis, so class mark will come here and then this frequency will come on y-axis, fi will come on y-axis. Now class mark is 145, 155, 165 हांगा constant आसा, 45, 55, 10 आचो difference आसा, but starting it is 145. But you know frequency polygon, frequency आता histogram आम्ही first in previous case histogram काढलो आम्ही आणि frequency polygon काढलो. frequency polygon सदांच हाडून सकयल टच करचो पडटा आमकां हांगा, बेश्टो वयर दवरपाक मेळना आनी टच करतले जाल्यार नेक्स्ट नंबराचे सेंटर येवपाक जाय. सो हांगासर कितें करप, तुमी सदांच प्रिवियस नंबर सुद्दां घेवपाक जाय हांगा. सो 145 च्या वयर खंयचो नंबर येतलो, इट इज 135 अँड लास्ट नंबर 195 which will be your next number will be that is 205. so next number is 205. so हे दोन्ही नंबर सुद्दां हांगासर ऑन एक्स एक्सिस तुमी काडपाक जाय. so you start from 0 then 135, and because we are taking directly 135 there will be a break here or kink here. so next number is like this, break will be here, then 145, 155, 165, 175, 185, 195 and 205. So write the scale. Scale is x-axis, it is 1 centimeter is equal to 10, and on y-axis we have minimum is 2 and maximum is 20. So you can take 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Write the scale. Y-axis is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 2. Then start marking the point. So when it is 5 or 145, it is 5. So 145 asa thaysar 5 asa. 5 is here. Just mark here. Mark करपाचे. Then 155 is 10. 155 is 10. 165 is 20. 165 is 20. Then 175 is 9. 175 is 9. Then 185 is 6. 185 is 6. And next 195 is 2. 195 is 2. Then you join all the points with a line segment by using your ruler. So join all the points using your ruler, but always use pencil on the graph paper. So midpoint सांगासर आम्ही घेता. So next सांगासर previous number हो आता frequency polygon. It should come down and touch. आता हांगा touch खंय जावपाक जाय. Next हो number आसा 135 आणि 145 155 number असो आसा. So हो number आसा. Next हांगासर डायरेक्टली येवन 135 join जावपाक जाय. So आम्ही हांगा previous number and last number next one more extra number आम्ही कित्याक घेतला हो आमकां हाडून सकयल टच करपाक जाय. So डायरेक्टली हेका हाडून तुमी हांगा टच करपाक जाय. Like this you should draw in frequency polygon. Now let us solve one more example. Here before drawing on the graph paper you should find class mark. So find the class mark here. Now see the midpoint of 20 and 25. 20 and 25, 20 plus 25 you can, if it is difficult to find, first you add. 20 plus 25 is 45, 45 divided by 2. Divided by 2 is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 22.5. So 20 and 25 is 22.5. Then next is 25 and 30. Again you can add 30 plus 25 करून divide by 2 करपाचे. Or directly you can write the value. तुमका समज possible असा directly बरोवपाक जाल्यार directly बरोवं शकता तुम्ही. You know it is 27.5. Then 32.5. Then we have 30, 34.5, 40, 41, 42, 42.5. Next 45, 46, 47, 47.5, 50, 51, 52, 52.5 आणि एक number extra काढपाक जाय. So next number is 53, 54, 54.5 and हांगा previous number काढपाक जाय. आम्ही म्हणजे धाकटो जातलो 17.5. So hanger next number 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So next number here it will be 52.5. Next number will be 57.5. Now let us start drawing on the graph paper. On the graph paper first you should draw x-axis and y-axis. So this is y-axis and this is x-axis. So class mark will come here. Class mark on x-axis and this number of teachers or frequency number of teachers on y-axis. Now class mark least value is 22.5 and maximum value is 57.5, but we should write 17.5. So hanger ami directly 0 to 17.5, and because we are drawing 0 to 17.5 here there will be a break or king. Then next number is 22.5. Then next value is 27.5. 27.5. Next is 32.5. then next is 34.5, then next is 42.5, then next is 47.5, then 52.5 and 57.5. On then write the scale. Scale is equal to, scale is 1 centimeter is equal to, on x-axis it is 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. See, 22.5 minus 17.5, 5 units. On y-axis, y-axis minimum number is 2 and maximum number is 10. So you can select the scale as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. On y-axis scale is 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 2 teachers. Now 17 when it is 22.5 it is 10. So just mark 22.5, 10, 27.5 it is, sorry, 22.5 it is, 22.5 it is 6, 22.5 is 6. Then 10 it is 27.5 is 10. Then 32.5 is 8. Then 34.5 is 10. Then 42.5 is 4. Then 47.5 is 2. And 52.5 is 10. Then join all the points with the help of a line segment with the help of ruler. Then join this frequency polygon. जो extra आम्ही class mark घेता तेका तो join करपाचो frequency polygon. From here you join it to 57.5. So like this you draw a frequency polygon without an histogram. So here very important is first you should find the class mark. And very important is जो previous and last एक extra class mark काडपाक जाय ते आमका हांगा हाडून join करपाक जाय म्हणून.